Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is just an impromptu video. As you saw there at the beginning of the video, there's a tree branch on the bench. I stuck that tree branch there and I'm using it as a prop for the camera at the moment. So as you can see, I'm in a mountain right now. I have a rucksack on my back. I like to do this from time to time, put some weights in the bag and go for a nice hike. Good to spend time outdoors, but it's also really good for a workout. Great for strengthening the thighs, the glutes, the hamstrings. Good for your posture, it brings your shoulders back. Good for strengthening the back, the core. Now I could tell you that I have 50 kilos, 75 kilos in this bag, or I could have a book and a packed lunch. When choosing how much weight to use, it's really all relative, subjective. Depends on you. Start light and feel it out. The next time you do it, you can add more weight. If you have children, one of their school bags with their books might be ample weight for maybe your first ruck. So choose a weight and then you can gradually increase it or decrease it. And if you do a little bit of resistance training, as I was doing there, dips, and beforehand I was doing some chin-ups, you get a phenomenal workout. And if you're walking up hills or stairs, you're going to work those legs as well. So this is a very simple way to get a great workout, and it's also just really fun too, especially if you're outside. All right,